What's up, guys? Today we here with the Bwine Drone.
And welcome to our channel. Wait, so what do we, wait, hold on.
I'm trying to see what that drone like.
Okay, but like, where do we get it? What are we about to do? We're gonna unbox it for them?
No, you tell me.
It's a new drone that you got. Tell the people about this new drone
I'm
you
just trying
got.
to see it fly.
Okay, y'all, so welcome to the channel, and today we're doing an unboxing video with the Bwine Drone. Of course, he's just here to see it fly, but we're doing the unboxing first, and then we're gonna take you guys on 2 adventures, one at night and one during the day, where you'll see this drone in
You ain't gonna
effect.
see it at night.
Because that's one of the features.
This thing got night vision, bro.
Yeah, so let's just unbox it and see what it comes with.
I'm gonna open it with my hands.
Oh my goodness, he's ripping it apart like a savage. Most drones, y'all, I guess, you know, all drones are very expensive. This one is
It's not that bad of a price.
expensive too, but it's not. But it's reasonable
It's
for all that you
for the
get.
quality you get.
The quality you get, it runs like 500 and I think like some change, whatever. But the quality you're supposed to get on this drone, we gonna see. But at first, we're just doing this unboxing video. Troy, take it away. See what we got in there. Please don't tear up anything, because we do have to fly this thing. How'd you know your fingers went in there? Oh, wow. It comes in this nice gray box. That's pretty cool. Don't break the box, because we might want to restore it. Okay. This is nice. Look at the box, y'all. And it comes with a manual. Oh, and a little case. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
This is nice. This is from Bwine, y'all. Okay, so this drone, you guys, while he's taking it out, comes with a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, which for stability, the gimbal is there for stability. See, I guess, oh my gosh. So there's the gimbal, and then this is the is this the camera?
Yeah.
So it's like,
Oh, look, the wings come out.
and then this is, what is this? Oh, this is the remote. So you literally can fly this thing, y'all, with this. And it comes with, okay, 2 batteries, 2 AA batteries. It looks like it gets you 50 minutes worth of flight. So 50 minutes worth of flight time. And the level 6 wind resistance. Show them the camera, and oh, this is neat. It's like a little robot. Uh-oh. So there you go, y'all. And so it's a 3 kilometer real-time transmission distance, super long remote range. So they say the remote range is, you can get a lot of distance with that. Oh, I didn't know they did that. And then take these off, huh? This is cute and very, it looks like it's very, the cases are really nice. And, oh, guess what? They said on here, Troy, that you can shoot. It says, excellent night shooting. So you can shoot this at night.
Well, we're gonna have to test it out.
We are. So that's why I told y'all we're gonna have some night footage and some day footage, and we're gonna show y'all just how good this drone works. So oh, look right there, it says shoot clear night scenes. And it's it's the Bwine F7GB2 drone, if y'all want to know. So yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all check this out. If y'all looking for a drone, we do a lot of footage, so we really embrace and love new products like this. Because as you know, we always shoot music videos, regular videos, and just movies, everything. So these type of products are excellent for us to use. So what do you think of the whole style of it? It's like a video game. What is this? It's like you put a phone right there, huh?
Oh yeah, you do.
What is that for? The phone. We gotta read up on this. So y'all stay tuned. Our next part of this video, we're gonna shoot you guys some cool scenes. So stay tuned. So today we're at the park and we're about to try this bad baby out. Huh, Junior?
Yep.
We got just the two that's gonna be playing, and we're gonna see if we can capture some upper footage of these two playing. Look, Mir. He's looking at it like it's a toy. You scary? It's not scary.
It's a spaceship.
Oh shoot, look y'all. There, look, Mir. Okay. That's cool. Okay, we're gonna get some shots, you guys.
Hold on, let's see if it works like this.
Okay. It's better, it's more stable. Just look at that, y'all. Very stable, very on time. They're having a backyard picnic right now, y'all. So we're about to get some drone footage of them sharing a backyard picnic. This is the couple. This is the couple, Wings and Emily. So they're out back with their baby. And it's it's not too hot, not too cold outside. They're just enjoying a beautiful day. So yeah, look at this drone. It's oh yeah, because it goes to the front, huh? It doesn't go over. So you can see them. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, y'all.
You can zoom in and everything.
Oh, that's beautiful. This drone is awesome. Y'all gotta get this Bwine drone. So he's getting footage of y'all. This is really good. In their backyard. Maybe we can see what they're eating. Go down and see we'll go a little lower and see the food. We're trying to see what you guys are eating.
Look what they're eating. They got cookies.
They got cookies and
they got chips. Look.
Right. They got cookies, chips, and some what are those other things? The fruit rolls.
Yeah. It goes high.
Let's see how high it goes. They're gonna eat up all the fruit roll-ups.
Hey, it's good.
Oh shoot!
Look how high it goes.
Can it?
Oh my gosh. Wait. I want this thing from flying down my face.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Look how high this thing is.
Look, I can see the whole streets from here.
Wow, that is so awesome.
Oh shit. I'm gonna grab it.
Here it comes. Look. Look, y'all, we got them. Their backyard picnic.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what hurt your feelings. The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Just rather be alone in my zone writing poems. When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some fucking cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it now, never later. No more favors done with all these traitors who be haters on the low. They just hate to see you grow, so I'd rather be alone in my zone writing poems, 'cause I'm never on the road, and I'd rather stay at home. And life been moving fast lately, trying to get a grasp, and every day I'm mad lately. Never let it drive me crazy, you do this for my old lady, yeah.
They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for our chance to breathe. They told us, stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips. And thank God for our chance to breathe. So let us breathe in.
See, ain't shit changed, but a bunch of people feel us. Reaching for the top, and now I ain't got no ceilings. Pour me up a cup or two so it can stop the bleeding. Roll me up a split or two, and now I'm hella weeded. Cause I'm feeling like I want it, but I don't know if I need it. Took a few L's, but that nigga undefeated. Same shit, different day, why this so repeated? If we don't talk no more, it's probably cause I felt mistreated. Bad enough I don't hear excuses, trust me you could keep it. Saw it coming from a mile away once I peeped it. Caught up in that drama, mama, I don't get between it. They be trying to turn it on you, damn they really tweaking.
We broke, but we wealthy in ability and hopes fits. Bitch, no, we only need the brokerage. We only overage, overseeing all the dope shit. Killing these cats with they facilities. Flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become they centerpiece. Unfold and be a masterpiece at half of all our faculties. We actually dope, you just don't know that half of we.
We actually dope, you just don't know that half of we.
They told us, stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips. And thank God for our chance to breathe. They told us, stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips. And thank God for our chance to breathe. So let us breathe in.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather.
Okay, y'all, we doing a night video with the drone. Hope nobody shoots it down because we're going near this boat. Junior, you see over there? Can you see the... You can spy on Wings and Emily too. Try to get the boat and the bridge. Wings and Emily look cute down there. let me see what it's saying. Oh, you looking at the boat?
Yeah.
All right, y'all, so we looked at the boat and the bridge. Now we're gonna spy on Emily and Wings down here to see what they're doing.
So many rats.
You see a rat?
They keep coming to me.
As long as they don't run over on us. Look, y'all, look at the drone. Spying on them. Do you think they hear it? Can you go down lower? You see them?
Yeah.
They're not kissing or nothing. They're just having a good conversation. You got them right on. The drone's messing with Emily and Wings. What if Wings drop kicked it?
Look at him.
They don't even care. It's pretty. Oh, look at, they got the whole ship. Dang, that's cool how you got this on this ship. That's cool. Alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video.
It's strapped down to this